What's up guys, Derek Johnson, and today I'm going to be walking you through some of the features of Chirply. And if you stick around, I'm going to show you how you can get access to this and some other awesome software for less than $1 a day. So let's go ahead and dive in. So when you log into Chirply, this will be your dashboard. Gives you a little quick overview of all the stuff you have going on. You can see how many contacts you have right here, how many lists and autoresponders, campaigns you have set up here. This is the browser dialer. So if you wanted to start calling people, you could pull up your list and hit this button, call people. What's cool about Chirply is you don't have to dial any numbers. You can upload your list or even use the built-in lead generation down here to get a list of targeted leads and start calling them back to back. I'll show you that feature in just 1 minute, but some of the other cool things you can do. Here's where you can see all your messages, all your phone calls, your voicemails. From here you can call or message users. You can also set up email drip campaigns. You can set up an IVR, so that's like when you call a bank and you hear that music in the background and it's like, hi, you've reached yada yada yada, press 1 for this, press 2 for that, press 3 for this. So, and based on those inputs, you can set off different automations. So really the sky's the limit on how you want to use this. If you want to test this out, I actually set up a demo, but we'll get into that later. One thing I want to show you is the browser dialer feature. So I'm going to choose a list here. So we'll just go to my validated numbers list. This means these are validated phone numbers, and this is actually one of my Chirply numbers right at the top. And this is another one of my numbers. So I'm going to go ahead and select this list. And from here, you have different options. You can call, browser dialer. You can drop a ringless voicemail. So you can pre-record a message and just drop these voicemails into your leads inbox. You can also message, and the difference here is these green ones are cell phones and the blue ones are landlines. So the cell phones are going to have the SMS messaging capabilities, and you could also send an email if you have that information. Now with this built-in lead gen, when you get leads, you're going to get most of this information, because what it's doing is it's pulling it from websites. So you're usually going to get company name, website, phone number, email, and all that stuff. All these here you're seeing at the top are all leads that came in just from my demo setup. So I didn't have additional information for them. This one here, I went in and kind of filled it in because I knew who it was. But I'll show you another list with more info. So let's check out this browser dialer. You select the phone number you want to start dialing from, and boom, I'm on a call. So this is calling my IVR right now. Hear it from the browser. Turn the volume up a little bit. Now if I want to go to the next call, I just hit end call there. You can set up dispositions. Basically it's going to segment your list. in each one of these dispositions, you can set up to fire off different automations as well. So I know a lot of people are using triple dialers and stuff like that, where people aren't answering, so it's calling other ones at the same time. With this, you could select a disposition did not answer, and what that could do is fire off an email or a SMS message. So even though they didn't pick up the phone, you're still contacting that lead, and it's not just a wasted call. So it's not always about burning through as many leads as you can, but it could be about getting quality leads and hitting each one of them to the fullest potential. You can also leave some notes here. If you're working with a VA, they can come in and fill this out. So you could train them on a specific course of action you want them to take. You can also pause, skip this. If you hit save and continue, it's going to immediately dial the next number. So now I'm connected on the next number. You can hear it ringing. This is a Google Voice number. Obviously, I'm not going to answer it. But as you can see, if you had a large list, it burned through it pretty quickly. Here's all the info you can see. You can see how many touch points you have. While you're on a call, you can pull this tab up. And if they have a website, you can pull that up while you're talking to them. That's super useful. You can see all the history. It records your calls so you can review the calls. You can review your notes. You can schedule a follow-up. So it's a built-in CRM as well. You can add them to campaigns here or add them to a list, which can fire off different automations. So super powerful tool. And as I promised, I wanted to show you how you can get this tool and some other software for less than $1 a day. So for the first 500 people that sign up with me, I'm giving them this awesome deal. And you can come to this page right here. You can get access to these 7 softwares. If you watch this video, it's going to give you a quick overview. I'll have some other videos as well, kind of going more into these ones. But basically, you have 2 options. There's a monthly price, which is a little more, or the yearly price, which is actually less than $1 a day. Now, the normal prices on these softwares cost more than I'm charging you for all of them combined. I just joined this software company as a partner, and I'm allowed to offer incredible deals to get my user base up. I'm looking for some good input from you guys, feature requests and stuff like that. So after you sign up, you're going to get an email from me with your login information for each software. And then if you want, you can join the software group that I set up. I set up a brand new Facebook group just for my software users. But if you do any cold calling, if you want to find more leads for your offers, this software is great. Works great for wholesalers, accountants, anyone in that business-to-business niche or looking for tools they can leverage and set up some automations to help save them time and also give them more reach to find those targeted leads. But if you guys have any questions, drop me a comment below. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next training.